Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, our class is going to be interesting today. Do you want to see that? Okay, I have a picture for you. Look at this picture. Do you remember this picture? Can you tell me what this is? Yes, very good. This is a talking train. Today we are going to learn some new words. Let us get into that. Children, I have a video clip for you. Watch carefully and give answers to my questions.
Anita, don't forget your lunch box.
Who all were there in the video, children? Yes, a mother, a father, a girl, and some other children. Where was the girl going? Yes, the girl was going to school. What was she riding? She was riding a bicycle. What was she carrying with her? She was carrying a school bag with her. Can you guess the things which she might have kept in her bag? Yes, children, you have answered correctly. She might have kept in her bag a pencil, a sharpener, an eraser, sketch pens, a compass box, a scale, a pen, and notebooks. Children, look at this picture. What do you observe from this picture? Yes, a man and a woman going somewhere on a van. Where do you think they might be going? Yes, they might be going somewhere on a tour. Do you all know what is meant by tour? Yes, tour means to journey from place to place. Have you ever been on a tour? Yes, you might have been on a tour. I know that. Can you tell me now what we should carry with us going to somewhere on a tour? Yes, let us learn them now. Children, now you are here at page number 11, vocabulary part in your English textbook. What do you see in this picture? Yes, a girl and some other things around her. What are they? A bag, a bottle, a soap, a book, an almirah, a mirror, a dress, and a big circle with small circles added on it. We can call them balloons here. Children, do you know what this is called? This is called a word web. Now let us read what is written here. Lakshmi is going to Delhi on a tour with parents. Tell her what things she should carry with her. Write them in the balloons given below. You can add more balloons if you want. I repeat it again. Lakshmi is going to Delhi on a tour with parents. Tell her what things she should carry with her. Write them in the balloons given below. You can add more balloons if you want. Have you understood what I have read? Oh, good. Then answer me. Where is Lakshmi going? Lakshmi is going to Delhi on a tour. With whom she is going? She is going with her parents. What we have to tell her now? We have to tell her what things she should carry and we have to write their names in the balloons. One is already written for you. What is that? Yes, it's a toothpaste. Look at the picture of a toothpaste. Can you spell it? Tooth, tooth, paste, paste, toothpaste. Why do we use a toothpaste? Right, we use a toothpaste to clean our teeth. What is this? Yes, it's a soap. SOAP, soap. We use a soap to clean our body. Here we have a water bottle. WATER, water. BOTTLE, bottle. We use a water bottle to store water. To store means to keep. Can you tell me one more thing? Yes, you are correct. It's a dress. DRESS, dress. We wear a dress to protect our body. To protect means to keep safe. And next one is comb. COMB, comb. We use a comb to keep our hair clean. And the last one is mirror. MIRROR, mirror. We use a mirror to look at ourselves. Children, you can see here all the things in your word web. A toothpaste, a soap, a water bottle, a dress, a comb, and a mirror. Note down all the information in your notebook.
Children, we are going to do an activity. Here you have a list of different things. Pick the above things and drop them into the bag that they belong to. Children, we have here a comb. In which bag a comb should be dropped? Good, it's a traveling bag. Let us drop it into the traveling bag. Like a comb, we will drop remaining things also into their respective bags. You observe carefully. Next we have here a pencil. And this pencil goes into the school bag. And next a soap is here. And this soap goes into the traveling bag. A sharpener, school bag. An eraser, school bag. A mirror, traveling bag. A pen, school bag. A compass box, school bag. A dress, traveling bag. A scale, school bag. Sketch pens, school bag. A toothpaste, traveling bag. Notebooks, school bag. Why do we have here two bottles? Because we should drink water adequately. So we need to carry them wherever we go. Let us drop them into both of these bags. And one bottle goes into the traveling bag and another goes into the school bag. Yes, children, that's all for today. I hope you have understood everything. Children, practice the lesson learned. See you again in the next class. Bye bye, children.